Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Today, guys, I think that we need to return back to discussion of the euro currency because it have some nuances that could become very important during today's non-farm payroll release. So first, I would like to start from our yesterday's setup that we have discussed on the Great British Pound. So if you remember, we have talked about this scenario. As I said, this market could show drop to the 125, 128.40, 128.50 area. Let's complete this, some kind of the ABCD butterfly and reestablish upper direction. And this has happened. Market just few pips hasn't reached this 21.41 and started from some 8 pips higher upper direction. So now you could see that as we have larger end shoulders pattern on Great British Pound, now here we have smaller, some kind of the end shoulders. So some kind of the mini setup of the same kind. So here we have reversal, upside reversal swing. And right now on this minor, some kind of the hand shoulders also, we have minor reversal swing. So in general, this situation looks bullish because we'll take a look at the forward time frame chart here. Market could form, for example, the butterfly. Just become left wing, some minor retracement here to maybe 28.90, 28.78, just to match the harmony. This previous spike down. This could become left shoulder, right shoulder. So maybe market will form here minor gorgeous triple to buy pattern. This will be a great opportunity for thinking about go long because it will have very small risk because invalidation point will be just below these lows. If market will drop here below it, this will be a bearish sign, and because after upside reversal swing, market drops below these lows, it means that overall bullish stuff has failed, and dropping below these lows simultaneously will mean that on the forward time frame chart stop probably also will fail. But that probably could happen only if data will be really very strong on the non-farm payrolls. Right now, as the behavior here to the upside is the pattern that's forming right now on the Great British Pound looks mostly bullish. So approximately the same picture we see right now across the board. In the euro currency, what's really important? Take a look, guys. Yes, the market has formed bullish stop grabber. This bullish stop grabber suggests taking out of this stop is upward continuation. This retracement on the daily chart actually is sufficient for respecting of the butterfly target, and as this drop was even more than the more than the 30% of the butterfly thrust, it means that this butterfly has been completed. Not necessarily that the butterfly triggers every time some collapse and major reversal. 3-8 retracement sometimes happens, and it means that the butterfly is complete. So market could show some other action. Right now, we need to keep all eyes on them. Actually, this grabber, this invalidation point that stands below its lows. It will be very important moment because take a look, guys, that this lows coincides with the daily oversold. So market hardly will drop below this area just occasionally, because in this case it needs to pass through the oversold on the daily, and that could happen only if some real strong driving factor will appear. And as we know today, it's probably with no exceptions, this could be non-farm payroll release. So, but right now we have the bullish pattern in place, and it suggests possible upward continuation. What else we have on the 4-hour time frame chart? Market has stopped right in our area that we have discussed yesterday. So this confidence support 1860, 1875. It's also weekly pivot point. Right now market stands around the weekly pivot point. Also, guys, since today the 1st of September, we have new pivots for the September, and I will show a bit later. But monthly pivot point also stands at the same area. So that's very strong support area. Here, guys, we have minor bread and butter sell. It's already starts and it's almost has been completed because we have nice thrust down. Retracement that has hit 3-8 resistance, then to closes above the 3x3 moving average, and now it's starting to move down, right to completion point of the bread and butter. So we here a bit have missed this trade. It's mostly developed through the night. But anyway, this market is right now moving down. Also, you can see that this bullish grabber that we have on the daily here is taking the shape of some kind of the bullish engulfing pattern. It's also positive. So in general, this picture looks mostly bullish right now. On the hourly chart, also two important moments. First of all, as I said, monthly pivot point, this market is coming to. Here's the target of the red money, it's 1860, right? But what is more important, guys, that here we have the same minor situation as the green British pound. Some kind of the hand shoulders pattern is forming, and market has formed bullish reversal swing. So it means that we probably will get the deeper retracement. So when market forms bullish reversal swing, it could be some kind of maybe EBCD pattern will be formed right to the 1860 area. If this will happen, this could be also guarded triple to buy pattern could be formed here. In general, guys, overall combination that we have on euro currency looks interesting because we have bullish pattern on daily. We have very close daily oversold to the invalidation point that has been tested mostly. And we have some bullish hints that are forming right now on the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, on the hourly chart. So I think that this situation is worth of our attention. And if we will get clear bullish patterns today, maybe right before the non-farm parallel release, this could happen. Well, you could think about the taking position if you're ready to trade through the doom and gloom of the non-farm parallel report. The same as I said on the Great British Pound. So in general, overall behavior looks interesting and it's really could be promising and potentially could bring some patterns for clear patterns for trading on the intraday charts today.